Picture this: 3,000 square feet of stunning open-concept living, vaulted ceilings with exposed beams, a chef's kitchen with commercial-grade appliances, spa-like bathrooms, smart home technology throughout, and a massive 4-car garage that could double as your workshop or showroom. Now, what if I told you this luxury dream home could cost you 40 to 50% less than a traditional luxury home of the same size? In 2026, luxury barndominiums are rewriting the rules of high-end living. And today I'm breaking down every single dollar you'll spend to build one. Stay with me until the end, because I'll reveal the biggest cost-saving secrets that most builders won't tell you. Before we dive in, if you're serious about building a luxury barndominium or just love learning about alternative housing, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I release detailed cost breakdowns like this every week, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming. Now, let's talk numbers. What makes it luxury? First, let's be clear about what we mean by luxury barndominium in 2026. We're not talking about a basic metal building with drywall. A true luxury barndominium includes high-end finishes like quartz or granite countertops throughout, premium hardwood or luxury vinyl plank flooring, custom cabinetry with soft-closed drawers, designer lighting fixtures including statement chandeliers, spa-inspired bathrooms with freestanding soaking tubs and walk-in rainfall showers, smart home integration for lighting, security, and climate control, energy-efficient spray foam insulation, high-performance windows, premium HVAC systems, and architectural details like coffered ceilings, custom millwork, and stone or brick accent walls. The exterior isn't basic either. Expect standing seam metal roofing, mixed materials like board and batten steel siding combined with natural stone or wood accents, oversized windows and glass doors, covered porches or wraparound decks, and professional landscaping. This is the level we're talking about when we say luxury. The base numbers for 2026. For a 3,000 square foot luxury barndominium with a 4-car garage in 2026, you're looking at a total investment ranging from $420,000 to $630,000 turnkey. That breaks down to approximately $140 to $210 per square foot. Compare this to a traditional luxury home at the same square footage, which runs $450,000 to $900,000 at $150 to $300+ per square foot. You're saving $30,000 to $270,000 right off the bat. Let's break this down into components so you understand exactly where every dollar goes. Shell and structure costs. The barndominium kit for 3,000 square feet, including the 4-car garage, runs $60,000 to $105,000. This includes the steel frame, metal siding, roofing, trim, fasteners, and all structural components. Most builders go with a design around 50 by 60 feet or 60 by 50 feet to achieve the 3,000 square feet. For luxury builds, you'll want upgraded exterior finishes. Premium standing seam metal roofing adds $8,000 to $15,000. Mixed exterior materials like stone veneer, wood accents, or fiber cement board and batten cost an additional $12,000 to $25,000. Custom end walls with large windows and architectural details run $15,000 to $30,000. Foundation work for a 3,000 square foot structure costs $18,000 to $45,000. Most luxury builds use a thickened edge slab with a vapor barrier, which runs about $6 to $15 per square foot, depending on your location and site conditions. On-site assembly and erection of the shell costs $15,000 to $30,000 if you hire professionals. Total shell costs run $128,000 to $250,000. The 4CR garage component. Here's what makes barndominiums so cost-effective. That 4-car garage is integrated into your 3,000 square feet, typically taking up 800 to 1,000 square feet. Finishing a garage costs significantly less than living space. Garage finishing runs $45 to $70 per square foot compared to $120 to $180 for luxury living areas. For an 880 square foot 4-car garage, expect to spend $39,600 to $61,600 for a high-quality finish, including reinforced 6-inch concrete floor with epoxy coating at $8 to $12 per square foot, for premium overhead doors at $2,000 to $4,000 each. Enhanced electrical with two 20V outlets at $8,000 to $12,000. Superior LED lighting at 150 watts per square foot, costing $3,000 to $5,000. Climate control options adding $2,000 to $4,000. And finished walls with insulation and paint at $6,000 to $10,000. Luxury living space breakdown. The remaining 2,120 square feet is your luxury living area at $140 to $180 per square foot for high-end finishes. This costs $296,800 to $381,600. Let me break down what this includes. Insulation is critical and non-negotiable. Spray foam insulation for the entire structure costs $1.50 to $5 per square foot of surface area, totaling $15,000 to $35,000 for proper coverage. This investment pays off massively in energy efficiency. Interior framing and drywall for luxury builds with custom ceiling details cost $25,000 to $45,000. This includes framing for bedrooms, bathrooms, offices, and any partition walls, plus premium drywall with level 5 finish and custom ceiling treatments like coffered or tray ceilings. Flooring at luxury level means premium materials throughout. Engineered hardwood or luxury vinyl plank costs $8 to $18 per square foot installed, totaling $17,000 to $38,000. Many luxury builds mix materials, using hardwood in main areas and premium tile in bathrooms and kitchen. The kitchen is where luxury really shows. A high-end Barndominium kitchen costs $60,000 to $100,000, including custom cabinetry with soft-close drawers and pull-outs at $25,000 to $45,000. Quartz or granite countertops with waterfall edges at $8,000 to $15,000. Commercial-grade appliances like Wolf or Sub-Zero at $15,000 to $30,000. Designer lighting, including pendant lights and under-cabinet LED, at $3,000 to $6,000, and a statement backsplash in marble or handmade tile at $2,000 to $5,000. Bathrooms in a luxury 3,000 square foot Barndominium typically include a master suite with spa bathroom plus 2 to 3 additional bathrooms. Total bathroom costs run $45,000 to $80,000. The master bath alone costs $25,000 to $45,000 with a freestanding soaking tub at $2,000 to $5,000. Walk-in shower with rainfall head and body jets at $6,000 to $12,000. Double vanity with quartz tops at $4,000 to $8,000. Premium tile work at $5,000 to $10,000. And heated floors adding $1,500 to $3,000. Electrical for a smart luxury home costs $20,000 to $35,000. This includes all wiring, panels, outlets, smart home integration, automated lighting systems, security cameras and systems, whole home audio pre-wiring, and EV charging station in the garage. Plumbing for 3 to 4 bathrooms plus kitchen costs $18,000 to $30,000, including all fixtures, drain lines, supply lines, and high-efficiency water heaters. HVAC for 3,000 square feet of well-insulated space costs $15,000 to $28,000. Luxury builds often use zone systems with smart thermostats, allowing different temperatures in different areas. The tight thermal envelope from spray foam insulation means you can actually use a smaller, more efficient system than in a traditional home. Interior doors, trim, and millwork for a luxury finish costs $12,000 to $22,000. This includes solid core or custom barn doors for bedrooms, premium hardware in oil rub bronze or matte black, crown molding and baseboards, and custom built-ins or shelving. Windows and exterior doors at luxury level cost $25,000 to $45,000. This includes energy-efficient windows with low-E coating, oversized windows or floor-to-ceiling glass, custom entry door with side lights, and large sliding glass doors to outdoor living spaces. Paint and finishes cost $8,000 to $15,000 for premium paint throughout with accent walls and custom colors. Additional luxury features. What separates a luxury Barndominium from a standard build are the extra touches. Architectural details like exposed beams, which are often included in the design, can be enhanced with wood wrapping for $5,000 to $12,000. Stone or brick accent walls cost $3,000 to $8,000. Custom staircases, if you go two-story, run $8,000 to $20,000. Coffered or vaulted ceilings add $6,000 to $15,000. Smart home technology packages cost $5,000 to $15,000 for comprehensive systems, including whole home automation, security with cameras and smart locks, integrated lighting control, climate control from your phone, and entertainment systems. Outdoor living spaces are huge in 2026. A covered porch or patio costs $30 to $50 per square foot. A 400 square foot outdoor living area with ceiling fans, lighting, and finishing runs $12,000 to $20,000. An outdoor kitchen adds $8,000 to $25,000. Site work and utilities. Don't forget the costs beyond the building itself. Land clearing and site preparation costs $3,000 to $12,000, depending on your lot condition. A concrete driveway for 500 to 800 square feet costs $4,000 to $10,000. Landscaping for a luxury home runs $10,000 to $30,000, including professional design, sod or seed, trees, shrubs, irrigation, and hardscaping. Utility connections vary dramatically by location. Well drilling costs $5,000 to $15,000. Septic system installation runs $10,000 to $25,000. If you're connecting to municipal services, expect $2,000 to $8,000 for water and sewer taps. Electrical service and pole installation costs $3,000 to $10,000. Permits and engineering typically run $3,000 to $8,000 for a project of this size. Real-world example. Let me walk you through a complete 3,000 square foot luxury build with itemized costs. Shell kit with premium exterior at $95,000. Foundation at $30,000. Erection at $22,000. Luxury living space at 2,120 square feet at $155 per square foot, totaling $328,600. 4-car garage at 880 square feet at $55 per square foot, totaling $48,400. Architectural details and upgrades at $18,000. Smart home package at $10,000. Outdoor living at $16,000. Site work and driveway at $15,000. Utilities with well and septic at $28,000. Permits and engineering at $5,500. Landscaping at $18,000, and general contractor fees at 10%, adding $53,000. Grand total comes to $687,500 or $229 per square foot. This is a high-end build in a moderate cost area. In lower cost regions, you might build the same home for $480,000 to $550,000. In high-cost areas like California or coastal regions, expect $750,000 to $850,000. Cost-saving strategies. Want to cut costs without sacrificing too much luxury? Act as your own general contractor and save 10 to 20%, though this requires significant time and knowledge. Do your own finish work like painting, flooring installation if you're skilled, and landscaping to save $20,000 to $40,000. Choose a simpler floor plan, as complex layouts with multiple angles cost more to frame and finish. Build in phases by completing the shell and living area first, then finishing the garage to full standards later. Shop multiple suppliers for the metal building kit, as prices can vary 15 to 25% between suppliers. Time your build during slower construction seasons when labor rates may be lower. The resale perspective. Luxury barndominiums in 2026 are holding value exceptionally well, especially in rural and suburban areas. They appeal to buyers wanting unique homes with modern amenities. The energy efficiency from superior insulation means lower operating costs, which is increasingly important to buyers. The 4-car garage is a massive selling point for car enthusiasts, hobbyists, and families with multiple vehicles. A 3,000 square foot luxury barndominium with a 4-car garage in 2026 costs $420,000 to $630,000 on average for a turnkey build, with high-end builds in expensive areas reaching $750,000 to $850,000. This compares incredibly favorably to traditional luxury construction at $450,000 to $900,000 for the same square footage. You're getting a unique, durable, energy-efficient home with massive open spaces, luxury finishes, and a 4-car garage that would cost you significantly more to build separately. The construction timeline is faster, typically 6 to 10 months versus 12 to 18 months for traditional builds. Maintenance costs are lower thanks to steel construction and quality materials. Is it right for you? If you want maximum space and luxury for your money, appreciate open concept modern design, need serious garage space, value energy efficiency, and want a home that stands out, then absolutely yes. If you're in an HOA with restrictive covenants or a market that heavily favors traditional architecture, you might face challenges. The bottom line is that 2026 is an excellent time to build a luxury barndominium. Material costs have stabilized, builders are experienced with these structures, financing options have improved, and the design possibilities are endless. If this breakdown helped you understand luxury barndominium costs, smash that like button. Drop a comment below telling me what features you'd include in your dream luxury barndominium. Would you go for the outdoor kitchen, the spa bathroom? Let me know. And don't forget to subscribe for more detailed cost breakdowns and alternative housing content. I've got videos coming on financing barndominiums, choosing the right builder, and design mistakes to avoid. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.